Do I like ice cream? Yes, you like ice cream. Does he play soccer? No, he doesn't play soccer. Do we have a cat? Yes, we have a cat. Does she watch TV in the morning? No, she doesn't watch TV in the morning. Do you speak Spanish? Yes, I speak Spanish. Does it rain a lot here? No, it doesn't rain a lot here. Do they go to school by bus? Yes, they go to school by bus. Does he like pizza? Yes, he likes pizza. Do I live in a big city? No, you don't live in a big city. Does she have a bicycle? Yes, she has a bicycle. Do we eat breakfast together? No, we don't eat breakfast together. Does it get cold in winter? Yes, it gets cold in winter. Do they play the guitar? No, they don't play the guitar. Does he work on weekends? No, he doesn't work on weekends. Do you like to read books? Yes, I like to read books. Does it snow in your country? No, it doesn't snow in my country. Do we visit our grandparents often? Yes, we visit our grandparents often. Does she have a red dress? No, she doesn't have a red dress. Do I drink coffee in the evening? No, you don't drink coffee in the evening. Does he play the piano? Yes, he plays the piano. Do they enjoy watching movies? Yes, they enjoy watching movies. Does it take a long time to get there? No, it doesn't take a long time to get there. Do we need more milk? Yes, we need more milk. Does she wear glasses? No, she doesn't wear glasses. Do you like to go for a walk? Yes, you like to go for a walk. Does he have a big family? No, he doesn't have a big family. Do I know how to swim? Yes, you know how to swim. Does it rain a lot in spring? No, it doesn't rain a lot in spring. Do they speak English fluently? Yes, they speak English fluently. Does she cook dinner every day? No, she doesn't cook dinner every day. Do we go to the beach in the summer? Yes, we go to the beach in the summer. Does he have a pet dog? Yes, he has a pet dog. Do I work on Mondays? No, you don't work on Mondays. Does it get hot in the afternoon? Yes, it gets hot in the afternoon. Do they like to play video games? No, they don't like to play video games. Does she play the flute? Yes, she plays the flute. Do we need to buy groceries? No, we don't need to buy groceries. Does he wear a hat in the winter? Yes, he wears a hat in the winter. Do I have a green backpack? No, you don't have a green backpack. Does it take a lot of time to get ready? Yes, it takes a lot of time to get ready. Do they visit their friends regularly? No, they don't visit their friends regularly. Does she watch the news on TV? Yes, she watches the news on TV. Do we like to travel? Yes, we like to travel. Does he play the drums? No, he doesn't play the drums. Do I eat lunch at noon? Yes, you eat lunch at noon. Does it rain much in the autumn? No, it doesn't rain much in the autumn. Do they have a garden? Yes, they have a garden. Does she wear a watch? No, she doesn't wear a watch. Do we go to bed early? Yes, we go to bed early. Does he like to exercise? No, he doesn't like to exercise. Do I play the guitar? Yes, you play the guitar. Does it snow in your town? No, it doesn't snow in my town. Do they work on Saturdays? Yes, they work on Saturdays. Does she have a blue car? No, she doesn't have a blue car. Do we go for a picnic in the park? Yes, we go for a picnic in the park. Does he live near the beach? No, he doesn't live near the beach. Do I wear glasses? Yes, you wear glasses. Does it take a while to get there? No, it doesn't take a while to get there. Do they watch movies at home? Yes, they watch movies at home. Does she have a big birthday party? No, she doesn't have a big birthday party. Do I like to read before bedtime? Yes, you like to read before bedtime. Does he enjoy playing video games? No, he doesn't enjoy playing video games. Do we have a garden with colorful flowers? Yes, we have a garden with colorful flowers. Does she take the bus to work? No, she doesn't take the bus to work. Do you have a favorite color? Yes, I have a favorite color. Does it rain often in your city? No, it doesn't rain often in my city. Do they travel abroad every year? Yes, they travel abroad every year. Does he play the piano in the evenings? No, he doesn't play the piano in the evenings. Do I wear a hat in the summer? Yes, you wear a hat in the summer. Does she speak 2 languages? No, she doesn't speak 2 languages. Do we go to the gym regularly? Yes, we go to the gym regularly. Does it snow in the mountains during winter? No, it doesn't snow in the mountains during winter. Do they have a family picnic in the spring? Yes, they have a family picnic in the spring. Does he eat breakfast every morning? No, he doesn't eat breakfast every morning. Do I play a musical instrument? Yes, you play a musical instrument. Does she have a lot of friends? No, she doesn't have a lot of friends. Do we visit the zoo occasionally? Yes, we visit the zoo occasionally. Does it take a short time to get to your workplace? No, it doesn't take a short time to get to my workplace. Do they go for a walk after dinner? Yes, they go for a walk after dinner. Does he like to cook on weekends? No, he doesn't like to cook on weekends. Do I have a green backpack? Yes, you have a green backpack. Does she watch sports on TV? No, she doesn't watch sports on TV. Do we attend family gatherings during holidays? Yes, we attend family gatherings during holidays. Does it get dark early in the winter? No, it doesn't get dark early in the winter. Do they play board games together? Yes, they play board games together. Does he travel for work frequently? No, he doesn't travel for work frequently. Do I eat fruit every day? Yes, you eat fruit every day. Does she go shopping on Saturdays? No, she doesn't go shopping on Saturdays. Do we celebrate birthdays with a cake? Yes, we celebrate birthdays with a cake. Does it rain a little in the autumn? No, it doesn't rain a little in the autumn. Do they have a dog as a pet? Yes, they have a dog as a pet. Does he wear glasses for reading? No, he doesn't wear glasses for reading. Do I listen to music while studying? Yes, you listen to music while studying. Does she go for a jog in the park? No, she doesn't go for a jog in the park. Do we take photos on special occasions? Yes, we take photos on special occasions. Does it snow a bit in the winter? No, it doesn't snow a bit in the winter. Do they visit the beach during the summer? Yes, they visit the beach during the summer. Does he have a favorite TV show? No, he doesn't have a favorite TV show. Do I wear a scarf in the winter? Yes, you wear a scarf in the winter. Does she like to dance at parties? No, she doesn't like to dance at parties.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning! Great